Cool.
Good job. Damn, that's a good one.
It's a fat one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like the second one I gotta get one better.
Yeah. Oh, you got one. You got it? So what do you think? 16 inches? 18? Nope.
Got one?
Yep.
Nice.
I think I got one.
Looks like it's going sideways. Either that or you got some really aggressive seaweed.
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
Alright.
Nice,
All right.
man.
Cool.
Good job. Damn, that's a good one.
This is a fat one.
Yeah.
Can you hold my rod?
Yep.
This is a nice one.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Nice, you even got the bait still. Yeah, I got one biting at it. There you go, got it.
Oh yeah. There you go.
It's alright, I got him. Just gonna get it tangled up.
Nice. Back to back.
Yeah. I got it a little deeper that time. All right.
You're just kind of more proactive with it, you'd say.
I saw it nibbling.
And you're just like,
Yeah, so I picked it up. So that when he started really running with it, it wouldn't get away. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Cool.
all right.
We both got one.
Yeah.
Hey. No, there's a hook in there, you moron. Let go. Let go.
You've been sitting there for like 20 minutes, so waiting for that opportunity.
I forgot it was there. I was afraid I was gonna get the hook in the damn thing. I have to cut the line.
Come on, just take it. Right there. Fish still there.
I think I got someone else's.
Oh, I wonder. That's pretty cool. Nice. I wonder if that was the one I lost.
I don't think it is, because
No.
it's a different.
Yeah, you don't use that.
I was so confused for a second there. Well, here we go. Free
Ooh, that's a nice hook.
6-aught. Yeah. Here you go. And a $2 wait. How much was that? Were those? They're like $2 a piece, right?
$1.50,
Yeah. Sweet. We're ahead of the game today. After being way behind last time.
Yeah. We still got some.
Yeah, the eye's gone. Something might have been biting at it.
Huh. There's crabs and shit there for like.
Yeah.
Right?
That's really funny. Like I could not have hooked that better. I'm gonna move this down here since I crossed myself up over there. Oop. I'm getting.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels like a pretty good one. Yeah. Not a huge one, but that's the first one to jump. Yeah.
Nothing that?
Sure.
Yeah, it's a real nice one.
Yeah. Let me give you the phone first this time. Here you go. Oop. Please don't hook me. There we go. Where did I drop that fish head? There it is. Oh wow, got him right through the face. Oh, ow. Hooked myself a little bit. Nice.
Cool. Alright.
Got myself a little bit with a circle hook, but not too bad. Alright, well, that clam lived a good existence.
There you go.
Thank you. Yeah, that was another one where he didn't pull wicked hard, but wicked hard.